Master Affiliate Profits is an amazing platform. I'm Dori O'Neill, and I am an original Master Affiliate Profits backer. Did you join Master Affiliate Profits to make money? I'm sure you answered yes. But if I asked you, would you like to make double the income by using the features that are already built in to Master Affiliate Profits, you would also answer yes, but the chances are that you're not earning double dip income. Am I right? Well, I've got good news. I have perfected double dip dollars using the built-in features of the Master Affiliate Profits platform. This is for members that are already part of Master Affiliate Profits, and this is for people that are interested in joining MAP right now. Either way, I'm going to show you the proof that this works. First, check out this page. This page represents people that are part of Master Affiliate Profits and have joined my team and are enjoying double dip income from MAP and double dip income from something called Shoppy Shop. You can see there's pages and pages of people, and only opened on August the 9th. The bottom line is you need to see what Shoppy Shop is all about. Following video will explain that. Once you understand the power of Shoppy Shop and the power of Master Affiliate Profits combined together, you will understand what double dip dollars are. And we all would like to do the work once and earn twice, wouldn't we? Enjoy the video, follow the instructions in the comments below, and I'll get you started on your path to double dip income. Hello and welcome. Imagine slashing your everyday expenses while unlocking effortless rebates and discounts. Welcome to Shoppy Shop, the revolutionary online membership savings club that's transforming how we shop. Before you click away, consider this. For less than 33 cents a day, you could be saving hundreds or even thousands. That's a no-brainer, wouldn't you agree? Aren't you tired of skyrocketing prices on groceries, gas, and essentials over the past decade? We've all felt that pinch, stressing over bills, cutting back on joys like family outings or vacations. Wouldn't it be empowering to fight back and reclaim your hard-earned money? Enter Shoppy Shop, the world's first online twist on mega clubs like Costco and Sam's Club, but better. We didn't just copy, we innovated with exclusive features they can't match. Picture this: instant access to the Shoppy app, where registering is a breeze. Just open it, search for your favorite merchants like JCPenney, Adidas, or Walmart, and boom, savings on thousands of brands. Categories cover it all: food and drink, health and beauty, entertainment, travel, automotive, electronics, children and family, home and garden, utility and telecom, financial services, office and business, effortless savings on what you already buy. Doesn't that sound liberating? But wait, the excitement builds with our exclusive warehouse deals, sourced from top platforms like Amazon. We only feature 4-star or higher products at unbeatable prices. Take Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Amazon's price, $22.97 versus our Shoppy Shop price for members, $9.99. Or a robot vacuum featured on Amazon at $349.99. Our Shoppy Shop price, $229 for members. Feel that thrill of scoring deals that make you smile. And cosmetics, with prices through the roof, Our renowned beauty line delivers up to 40% off retail. Seeing those savings firsthand, it's almost too good to be true, right? Now, healthcare hits the hardest. Major household drain. ShoppyDoc changes everything, potentially slashing costs by 90%. Imagine redirecting those savings to dreams like education, travel, or family time. Doesn't that spark hope and relief? As a Shoppy Shop member, recouping your tiny 33-cent daily investment happens fast through real cashback and automated rebates. Everyone can afford this path to financial freedom and the rewards. Life-changing. Wouldn't you love feeling in control again? The time is now. Take action. Head to theshowme.com/shoppy. Explore the savings and enroll today. Your wallet and your peace of mind will thank you. One more thing. Help us spread the joy. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and drop a question below. I'll personally respond, building a community where everyone thrives stress-free. That's what you deserve, isn't it? I'm Dori O'Neill. Thank you for watching. Let's save together. Goodbye.